What can you see on the wall?
I can see a clock.
What can you see on the desk?
I can see a notebook.
What can you see on the road?
I can see cars.
What can you see in the sky?
I can see clouds.
What can you see in the water?
I can see fish.
What can you see in the tree?
I can see birds.
What can you see on the shelf?
I can see books.
What can you see on the blackboard?
I can see chalk writing.
What can you see at night?
I can see stars.
What can you see in the morning?
I can see the sun.
What can you hear in the park?
I can hear children playing.
What can you hear in the kitchen?
I can hear cooking sounds.
What can you hear at school?
I can hear teachers teaching.
What can you hear in the street?
I can hear car horns.
What can you hear in the night?
I can hear crickets.
What can you hear in the garden?
I can hear birds singing.
What can you hear in the morning?
I can hear the rooster.
What can you hear at a party?
I can hear music.
What can you hear in the rain?
I can hear drops falling.
What can you hear at the beach?
I can hear waves.
What can you touch in the classroom?
I can touch the desk.
What can you touch in the kitchen?
I can touch plates.
What can you touch in the garden?
I can touch flowers.
What can you touch in the park?
I can touch swings.
What can you touch in the bedroom?
I can touch the pillow.
What can you touch on the bus?
I can touch the seat.
What can you touch in the shop?
I can touch clothes.
What can you touch in the playground?
I can touch the slide.
What can you touch in the car?
I can touch the steering wheel.
What can you touch at the zoo?
I can touch the fence.
What can you smell in the garden?
I can smell roses.
What can you smell in the kitchen?
I can smell curry.
What can you smell at the bakery?
I can smell bread.
What can you smell in the classroom?
I can smell chalk.
What can you smell in the fruit shop?
I can smell bananas.
What can you smell in the morning?
I can smell tea.
What can you smell in the street?
I can smell dust.
What can you smell at the fair?
I can smell popcorn.
What can you smell at the picnic?
I can smell sandwiches.
What can you smell on the bus?
I can smell fuel.
What can you taste in the kitchen?
I can taste soup.
What can you taste in the fruit shop?
I can taste apple.
What can you taste at the bakery?
I can taste cake.
What can you taste in the park?
I can taste ice cream.
What can you taste at the fair?
I can taste candy floss.
What can you taste at the picnic?
I can taste juice.
What can you taste at the beach?
I can taste salty water.
What can you taste in the morning?
I can taste bread.
What can you taste in the evening?
I can taste tea.
What can you taste at night?
I can taste milk.
What do you wear in summer?
I wear light clothes.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear sweaters.
What do you wear in the rain?
I wear a raincoat.
What do you wear at school?
I wear a uniform.
What do you wear at the party?
I wear new clothes.
What do you wear at the wedding?
I wear a suit.
What do you wear at home?
I wear casual clothes.
What do you wear at night?
I wear pajamas.
What do you wear on your feet?
I wear shoes.
What do you wear on your head?
I wear a cap.
What do you eat in the morning?
I eat eggs.
What do you eat in the afternoon?
I eat rice.
What do you eat in the evening?
I eat biscuits.
What do you eat at night?
I eat bread.
What do you eat at school?
I eat snacks.
What do you eat at a party?
I eat cake.
What do you eat at the picnic?
I eat sandwiches.
What do you eat at the fair?
I eat popcorn.
What do you eat at the zoo?
I eat ice cream.
What do you eat at the beach?
I eat chips.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea.
What do you drink in the afternoon?
I drink juice.
What do you drink in the evening?
I drink milk.
What do you drink at night?
I drink water.
What do you drink at a party?
I drink cold drinks.
What do you drink at the fair?
I drink lemonade.
What do you drink at the beach?
I drink coconut water.
What do you drink at the picnic?
I drink soda.
What do you drink in winter?
I drink coffee.
What do you drink in summer?
I drink lassi.
Where do you put your books?
I put them on the shelf.
Where do you put your clothes?
I put them in the cupboard.
Where do you put your shoes?
I put them on the rack.
Where do you put your bag?
I put it on the chair.
Where do you put your phone?
I put it on the table.
Where do you put your pen?
I put it in the box.
Where do you put your lunch?
I put it in the lunchbox.
Where do you put your money?
I put it in the wallet.
Where do you put your toys?
I put them in the basket.
Where do you put your keys?
I put them on the hook.
What do you play with your friends?
I play cricket.
What do you play in the classroom?
I play word games.
What do you play in the garden?
I play tag.
What do you play in the park?
I play football.
What do you play on the ground?
I play hockey.
What do you play at the fair?
I play ring toss.
What do you play on the computer?
I play puzzle games.
What do you play on the phone?
I play racing games.
What do you play at home?
I play carom.
What do you play on rainy days?
I play Ludo.